Yes. So in the last class, we discussed about conversions in Java. Okay. Coming to conversions here, byte is having 1 byte, short is having 2 bytes, integer having 4 bytes, long is having 8 bytes, 8 bytes, 8 bytes. So here, what this diagram indicates is, was this diagram indicates is here, you can convert. You can convert. Suppose I want to convert byte number into short, short into, long into float, float into double. You can convert. So this type of conversion you can call the simplicity type conversion. So here 1 byte, 2 byte, 4, 8, 8, 8. So it means one big box, you can keep small box. In small box, again you can keep one more small box. So in this you can keep one more small box. So like that, like that this scenario will tell you. Okay. For example, here I'm taking, suppose I'm taking here short, or else I'm taking int I'm taking x equals to 1 I'm taking. Next float variable y I'm taking. Okay. Y equals to a. So it means what? In float, I'm storing here x. In float, I'm storing x. X is what? Integer. If you display, this type of content, y. So what is come? Let us see. Semicolon. Execute this code. So what you got here? See what you got output here. 1.0. Actually, it's given 1, but you got output is 1. Suppose I'm giving level input. Let us check the output. So this is the implicit type conversion. So in the place of this, you can replace any of the combination, but it should be in order. It should be in order. So here also they taken one example. For the example, x equals to 10, double y equals to 6, like that they taken. So x is converted to double. So x size is how much? 4 bytes. So double size is 8 bytes. So explicit type conversion is nothing but reverse. Reverse. Actually, here the situation is like that. In small box, you want to keep big box. In small box, you want to keep big box. For example, I'm taking double value here. I'm taking double value x equals to 1.1. I'm taking. So this value I want to store in y. So y equal to x. Y equals to x. So here we should convert into type conversion is very important here. Okay. So this is an explicit conversion. So if you want to store like this, it is showing error. What is that error? Let us see that error. Lot of changes came in Java. Okay. So it is coming unresolved compilation problem. I cannot convert from double to int. Double value we cannot convert to integer. Double value we cannot convert to integer. But how we can convert it? How we can convert it? So if I want to convert it, compulsory you should use typecasting here. You should write your typecasting. X is a variable 1.1. X is a variable 1.1. I want to convert this value into integers. I want to convert this value into integers. Okay, so this is about explicit type conversion. If you don't write this in integer, I want to store x value, so it will not show. Compulsory, you should write here type conversion. Compulsory write here what? Type conversion. When you write a clear type conversion, at that time only it will convert and it will display the proper value. So your double value is now converted into the integer and you got the value is 1. Okay, 1. So this is about explicit type conversion. Okay. Now we are going to see the control structures. Okay. So previously we used to write see, it is showing error. And one more thing, Boolean values we cannot convert. Try to understand. Boolean value cannot be assigned to any other data type. If you want to convert like that, Boolean x equal to true, I want to convert this value into some other variable. So it is showing error. You cannot convert like that. Okay. So explicit conversion, just now I told you, this is about explicit type conversion. Okay. Okay, automatic conversion is not supporting. Okay. So enum is not required for you. Next, yeah. Okay, we'll see. Already know loops, but again we are telling. So in basics, we require what is input output function. Basics we require operators. Basics we require control structures. In first one, I told you only output function system.out.println. We are not discussed about IP. So we are now discussing operators. Next, we are going to discuss control structures. Now we are discussing control structures. So, okay. Let us see the control structures. Or else first we'll see this one. Scanner class. See, first of all, I'm taking int x, comma float y, comma char z, next to string s, next to double some dd. Okay. So in order to give the input into this all, you require one scanner class. Scanner se, some s equals to new scanner. So you should write here system dot in. Okay, system dot in. Okay, you should import it. Try to understand. Scanner, scanner, scanner is like in C, scanner. In C++, we are using cin. Like many languages having its own input function. Here we are using scanner class for taking the input from the keyboard. Here, actually, this syntax indicates that syntax I'm telling class name space object name equals to new operator. New operator is like malloc function in C language. It will allocate the memory. It will allocate the memory. How much memory? Suppose you entered integer, so integer memory will allocate. Suppose you entered float memory will allocate. And what about this system.in? If you don't mention this, your keyboard values will not come here. System.in, 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 system.out, system.error. These are the input output functions, the input output classes and objects. This will connect to input function. If you write out, this will connect to the output function like that. And where this class is available, it is showing error means you have to import it. In which class? Here. Which class that is? Import scanner. Let us check where it is there. Let us check. I told you JRE. JRE. Where is that? What are they showing? Java base. Java.lang they are mentioned, right? Is here. See. jar file. This is a jar file. Java archive files. In that Java lang. In that go to scanner class. Go to scanner class. Where the scanner class is there here? Scanner Java.util, right? Not this one, sorry. Java util function. Yes, here. Java util. So here Java util function. Here scanner. Where is scanner class? EQRS is here. Suppose if you expand this, again in this there are a lot of properties. These are all about scanner class. These are all about scanner class. Scanner, file, scanner, file, scanner input string, like we written here system.in. And these are all as next. See, now we are going to see these are all as next, as next, as next, as next byte, as next decimal. So this class having this many methods, these are all the properties. Okay. Now, if you write here, it means students, the meaning of this particular statement here is, the meaning of this particular statement here is, when you create object for this scanner class, this all the properties, all the methods, all the values will come to scanner class. Will come to scanner. If I write here, suppose okay, what I have to import? Import Java dot util dot. If you write scanner, only scanner class we can import. This is the one way. No, I sir, I want in the scanner, I want all the things. You should write here star. Okay. So I want only that much. Scanner util dot scanner. Okay, done. Till now it is completed. Okay. Okay, first we will see this. Next we will go for string. Okay. Now you can see now scanner class we imported successfully. Now what this object holds? What this object holds? What memory is allocated to this object? If you observe s dot, you can see this many are there. These many objects are there in the as next, as next, as next. Okay. Now next after declaration of this are all, I'm writing x equal to s dot as what is x there as integer as next integer as next int semicolon. One second, no, 1 second. X equal to s dot text s dot next int like that. Next, go to the z variable. Z equal to s dot next dot char rate of 0. Next, dd equals to h dot next. Only one time you practice. Next time it is not required. Double semicolon. I'm not typing, students. Just simply I'm using control space. String s1 equal to s dot control space, control space, control space, control space. Here next. After that, display all the elements. Here I am writing one simple statement here. Enter, what is this? Integer. Enter float. Enter char. Enter double. So enter string. So display all the values in the output stream. How we can display? X equals to simply I'm going to write here. What is the value of x? Comma. Simply putting comma inside. Here you write plus. Okay, comma x is over y over next plus what we require z next dd plus dd plus s1. That's it. Your code is completed. So execute this code. Enter integer input s12. Enter float input 12.3. Next character input single character. Enter double 1.111, enter string. Yes, all the values what you entered here, that is displayed. So this is scanner class. This scanner class. Okay. So you can check it out here all in this. JRE is very, very important shows. After some 2, 3 classes, again I will come back. Again I will tell you what is JRE and everything I will tell you very clear. So first of all, jar file. In this jar file, there are many packages. In one package, we are declaring here what is it? Scanner class. Declare, they only declare. So these many values are there in that. These many programs. So we are using now this next int, next line, next double, next byte. So these only we use now. Okay. Okay. This is about scanner class today. This is about scanner class. Okay. So like that, we can write codes for many programs. Okay. Okay. Already you know about this. You're having some basics. Right. I'm doing some copy paste here. I'm not going to explain that much. Okay. So just fast tell me the execution of this course. Yeah. What is the output of this code?
This is else statement.
Okay. 30 less than 20. 30 less than 20. The condition is false. So what will execute it? The else statement is executed. If you write here 50, something like that, the answer will be this is if statement. Okay. Next, if else statement. Okay. If else statement, we'll see the output of this. Or else we'll write one new code here for if else by using some scanner class. Okay. Scanner class, here I am taking total 3 variables, s1 comma s2 comma s3. Okay. So here s1 equals to s2 equals to s2 s1 equals I'm writing here. What I should write here? S1 equal to what is the object? S dot next int. My code name is now. Calculate average of 3 numbers and find out whether they are first class. The first student is first class, second class, like that. So S2 subject, S3 subject successfully completed. Next, I require one more variable. That variable I am taking average. Next, average I am going to calculate here. Average equals to S1 plus S2 plus S3 by 3. Small codes you can execute easily. Okay, but I'm telling after completion of this control structure, we'll enter into the oops concept. Okay, average equal to completed. So what we should write? If average is greater than or equal to 75. So what you should write here? System dot when there is no when in if condition or in any other condition when there are only one statement in your program, there is no need to mention what first class is distinction. Opening braces and closing braces. Else if you should write here one condition. What is the condition you will write? Tell me. What is the condition you will write here? Tell me. Average should be greater than or equals to 70. 74. We'll take here 70. 70 above. We'll take first class is distinction. 70 average should be greater than or equal to greater than 70. I'm writing. And it's not working. So and average should be less than or equal to 60. So these things we can call it as what? First class. Next, so what is one more condition? What is one more condition? This you have right here. Should be 60. Should be 50. So this is second class. The last, else the person is fair. Run it. Execute the code. In Java, 99.9% you will not get any errors because it will show here only. If errors are there, it will show here only. This package, okay. Where is the output? Appearance. Editor. Window. Show view. Console. Yes. 75. 75. 12 I'm giving. The person is failed. The person is failed. Like that, you can also write 65, 65, 65. So the person will come out first class. Where is the output? It is not displaying first class. So where is the error? Check it out. Average equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3 by 3. Okay, average greater than or equal to 70. Is it executing or not? Okay. 70, 70, 70. Yes, got it. First class is the distinction. So this is about that code. Windows, View, Package Explorer. SRC day one. Here only we are doing, right? Not here. Yes, here we are doing. And also we can write a lot of programs like greatest of three numbers. All you do, just go for internet, copy and paste here, or else you write your own code here. So it will come. It will come. So now I'm going for the for loop and while loop. Okay. So in this also a lot of codes are there. You can nested if else, and if there is a one more condition, what is output of that? Switch case, you know very well. So based on this input, your dedication is very, very important here. So I'm giving some idea. You have to execute your codes. So this is all about small things. Already you will learn in C language. So I wanted to discuss that much here. Okay. But still I am telling. Okay. So here this is switch case. Your cases here, it should be matched with your input, switch input. Here switch input will be available. What is your input here? C. So it will come here. It will execute. Well done. Okay. Your grade is C. Like last, they are showing your grade is C. Suppose if I change it to here A, what is the output? It will if the input is no A, it will match with A cases. Here the A case is there. It will match with here. Excellent. A, excellent. And your grade is last. Your grade is displaying here. Next, let us write here B. So what is the output? Can anyone guess? If I give the input here B, can you tell me what is the output? Anyone? Okay.
Well done.
Invalid grade.
Well done. So try to understand when break statement is not there. When break statement is not there, so here it is matched. Actually, the syntax is like for every case there is a break. For every case there is a break. But break is not there means break is not available means. So it will continue the execution to the second case also. So it is matching with case B. So it means when you are getting case A, excellent, your job is good. When you are getting case B, C, you are well done. Like it is like your grades, GPA, SGPA, A grade, B grade. When you are getting D, so you have passed just, or when you are getting a better, try again. So like this. Suppose if you are entering any other input, so it is showing invalid grade, and after that, the input will display. So in the place of this, for example, I am taking into 1, I am taking into some x equals to 1. So here it should be matched with, you should pass your x value, and here also it should pass with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Here also you should change. Simple. Here x, that's it. Over. One more code is over. When you are passing x equal to 1, when it is matching it. So what I'm telling is, here your case should be integer, float number, character. You can take anything, but it should be matched. It should be matched. Here 1 is nothing but excellent, 2 is nothing but well done, 3 is nothing but what? Well done. Let us execute. I am taking again 2. So again, what is your output? So this is your output. And after last statement is your output. Because switch case is closed here. Got it? So this is about switch case. Okay, next while loop, for loop. Okay, we will see this one by one. What is the execution of while loop? What is the execution of while loop? In the exam, if they give any question, you can write with the help of what's that? C, you can write Java, you can write okay, basic code. They will give you 2 questions in competitive exams. If they give you any question, the first question is a basic question, second question is the toughest question they will give you. The company is big, the company is very big. So at that time they will give you write a code from Java only. Yes, tell me the output of this. Anyone? Already we complete. First of all, I will tell you the execution of while loop. While loop is started line number 6 and where it is closed line number 11. Line number 11. Try to understand. I will tell you very simple tips. 6 to 11. 6 to 11, the loops are executed. The loop is executed. You have in that how many statements are there? 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to execute these 4 statements till condition false. Till condition false. And initial value is executed only one time. First of all, it will what is x value equal to 10. 10 less than 20. It will display the value. Next it will come here. Again, again it will cannot come back to here. Can you tell me what is the output of this program, anyone?
10 to 90.
Not infinity. First x value is how much? 10 less than 20 condition true. Here 10 will display. Next here x becomes what here? 11. Again, go to the condition, not initial value. 11 less than or 20. Condition true. Again 11 will display. Next 12. So like this particular scenario will go till 19. Or 20. 19. Okay. 10 to 20. 10, sorry, 10 to 19. Here, this is about output of that code. Okay. Okay, sure. Okay. We'll do some modification. Sir, I want to learn more on while loop. Sir, you are telling only one program. You are telling, I think so. You are all very big students because all are having qualification book, right? So try your best. Don't depend on me. I'm telling you just if I tell you 90%, if I tell you 10%, you try 90%. If I tell you 50%, you try 50%. If I tell you 80%, if I tell you 99.9%, but you understand only 5%, then you should only try, because you are the learner. If you learn more and more and more and more, so you'll get it. In coming days, you are the champion, you are the good programmer, you will get anything. Okay, these are all basic. In Java, actually, there is no need to discuss these basics because it is very basic. You should know about this all. Okay. So we'll share some modification in this code. Can anyone tell me the output of this again? ఒక చిన్న లాజిక్ రాస్తాను, అవుట్పుట్ చెప్పాలి. It's tell me the output of this code. Yeah,
11, sir.
11. Think about it.
10 to 19.
Okay. ఇదేంటి conditional operator. I will tell you the syntax of conditional operator. In this, I am written one statement when you execute it, that's it. When this condition is true, this is executed. When this condition is false, this is executed. In the, I am telling about only 8th line. 9th line you know very well, 6th line you know very well, 10th line you know very well. How to execute 8th line I am telling. When this condition is satisfied, or left side will be executed. When this condition is false, or right side will be executed every time. Let us execute like this. Like this, what I told you now, 5%, 10%, 10%, 90%, 90%, 10%. So in your so what is the output of this code I am executing? So 10 less than 20 condition true. So it will come here, y equals to 10 less than 20 condition true, x plus plus, x equal to x plus plus. So it means what will come here? X plus plus. See, actually I am not written any printf. How the output will come? Sorry. I am displaying y. First iteration, what is the y value here? 10 or 11? What you got here? 10. This is the series. See. So in this, sir, again I want to learn something. I want to learn new things. In the place of x plus plus, write here plus plus x. Again the output will change. Here you write minus minus. Again the output will change. See, many outputs it is changing. Now here write your minus minus. So these are all the codes. How I am changing, how I am getting the output. It is going to the infinite loop. So x plus plus. Got it? Okay. Well, let us try for this. Let us try for this. Okay. Y equals to how much here? Y equal to condition is true. So x plus plus means what here? Post increment. Post and ante. First y key for y it will assign 10. For y it is assigned 10. 10. After that x becomes 11. పోస్ట్ ఇంక్రిమెంట్ అంటే ఆమె మీకు తెలుసు y లోపల x ని స్టోర్ చేసిన తర్వాత అప్పుడు x వాల్యూ ఏమవుతుంది 11 అవుతుంది మనకి. నెక్స్ట్ x becomes what here again 12. 12 less than 10, 20 condition is true. Mali y equals to 12 less than 20 condition is true. So 12 plus plus. Again it will give what? 12 it will give. After that, x value will be 13. Okay. 13 less than 20. So like that the series will go. Like that the series will go. Okay. 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 next 14. So like this the series will execute. Here one more increment will go 14. Next 14 less than 20. So 14 will come, next 16, 18. Like that you try a different one. Galan, take a screenshot. Or else anyone keep in group. Try this code. So thank you, students. Remain will continue in the next class.